Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Ads conversion data with scheduled reports, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Ads account and navigate to the Tools and Settings menu in the upper right corner. Select Conversions under the Measurement section. Identify the conversion actions you want to backup. Click on each conversion action to view its settings. Take note of the key details like conversion name, type, and value. Next, go back to the main dashboard. Click on Reports in the left sidebar. Select Predefined Reports. Choose Conversions from the drop-down menu. Once the Conversions report opens, customize it according to your needs. You can add metrics such as conversion value, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. To add different segments, click on the segment option near the top right. Choose relevant segments like time, device, or campaign for deeper insights. After customizing your report, click the Save button. Give your report a meaningful name for easy identification. Now, schedule your report for regular backups. Click on the schedule icon near the top right corner. Set the frequency of the report, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the format you prefer, like CSV, Excel, or PDF. Enter the email addresses of the recipients who should receive the report. Click Save to finalize your scheduled report settings. Your Google Ads conversion data will now be backed up regularly as per your schedule. Periodically check your email to ensure the reports are being sent successfully. Review the data in the reports to make informed decisions about your advertising strategies. That concludes the complete guide on backing up Google Ads conversion data with scheduled reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.